General knowledge practice test part 2. The color of the light emitted by LED depends on type of semiconductor material, which is called as aqua tortoise. It is HNO3. Insectivorous plants not able to synthesize enough protein due to the deficiency of nitrogen. Total amount of energy released from one molecule of glucose on oxidation is about 2900 kilojoule. Which is known as Sundev plant? It is Drosera. First of the kind, a memorial for organ donors is built in the Indian state of Rajasthan. Xenobots is world's first living robot. Indian rupee symbol was adopted by Indian government in the year 2010. India's first fruit train was flagged from Tadipatri railway station. NITI Ayog came into existence on 1st January 2015. The official language of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir includes Kashmir, Dogri, Hindi, Urdu and English. Match the following. Here A. Ariyalur 31st, B. Tirupur 32nd, C. Tenkasi 33rd, D. Kallalakurchi 34th, 37th is Chengalpattu. Answer is A. Next question. Tamil Nadu recently declared Tamil Yeoman as its state butterfly. What is the biological name? It is Sirochora thais, where we can see the Sigiriya paintings, which is highly influenced by Ajanta style. It is Sri Lanka. List out the 5 dynasty of Delhi Sultanates in order. It is Slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq, Saidis and Lodis. The founder of Bahmani kingdom was Alauddin Bahman Shah. Doab means the region between two rivers. First Secretary General of SAARC is Abul Hasham. Which district of Tamil Nadu has got 23rd government medical college in the state? It is Karur. Recognized official language of India is 22. Supreme Court consists of how many judges? 26 judges. Parliament of India consists of 2 houses. Entrepreneur is like an eagle. How many people does each ration shop serve? 2000. Which government started the land reform legislation? State government. What was the fund limit of a small scale industry in the 10th 5-year plan? Is 50 crore. In 1857, a revolt was sparked off due to the reason greased cartridges. Hottest planet of our solar system is Venus. Conductor of length 50 cm carrying a current of 5A placed in a particular a magnetic field of induction. Find the force on the conductor. F is equal to ma. So answer A is correct. Which of the following weighs the most? 1 mole of sodium. The elements like silicon, tellurium and germanium can be purified by zone refining method. Dash is the basic unit of classification. Species. Who coined the term biosystematic? Is Camp and Gilly. Bacterial disease simplicis is caused by Triphonema pallidum. Which hormone is called as fight, flight and fright hormone? Is epinephrine. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Narayan Murthy, Hoover Medal is the only was correctly matched. India's first elephant memorial was unveiled in Mathura. Software used to navigate through the web is known as web browser. When is the International Everest Day celebrated across the world? Is May 29. Theory that explains the location of industry is Weber's theory. Aryavardha referred to North India. Last Mauryan king was match the leaders and their reform movements. Rajaram Mohan Rai, Brahmo Samaj. Dr. Atmaram Panduran, Prarthana Samaj. Madam S.P. Blavatsky, Theosophical Society. Dayananda Saraswati, Arya Samaj. Answer 4 is correct. Bimbisara belongs to which dynasty? Haryanka dynasty. Most popular form of government in modern days is democracy. Election Commission of India is situated at New Delhi. Father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. Money bills can be delayed by the Rajya Sabha only for 14 days. 44th Amendment Act came into force in the year 1978. First census of India was taken in the year 1872. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.